Hello, welcome to Going Off Grid from Scratch. Say hello, Blue. We're out here digging the stump. You can see where the house is marked out over there. And we can't move a little bit. Oh, it's a little bumpy ride. There's a stake way out there. Right there, top of my finger, you can see it. And we got another stake right here. Right here's another one. It's a 28 by 40 house. It's 1,120 square feet. Right here's another stake. Anybody want a nice pine tree? I haven't taken it out yet, but it's really nice. It's almost 9 feet tall. I just don't want it to go to waste.